So it's very much about deep relationships and kinship with others, so much so that you start to question that kind of separation and that individualism, that deep individualism of modernity. And it's about becoming more embodied, more conscious, more other emotions like love and respect and wisdom and humility. And importantly, as I said before, recognizing that we are all part of this living cosmos that's very much emergent and complex and self-organizing, and not in any sense dead matter, which I think is part of a strong aspect of colonial modernity, is that kind of strong human exceptionalism where we think that we are the only ones who are kind of conscious or intelligent. We become somehow mesmerized by what sometimes is called the spectacle of our societies. So that means everything from the Olympics to sports to politics. This sort of contextual games that we pour in a lot of meaning to those games, but they're not really about, for example, democracy. They're not really about a participatory, egalitarian, involved, embodied politics. It's all just a bit of a distraction, really, that keeps people somewhat kind of busy, I guess. We're at a point of transformation and metamorphosis now, and whether we embrace that or not, it's upon us. And the sixth mass extinction is very much a result of an ethos of expansion and consumability, a failure to meet the needs of humans. Almost every human's needs, whether they're rich or poor, privileged or oppressed, remain unmet in our society. Humans are, we have, like any species, we have tendencies and capabilities, and our tendencies are towards interdependence and deep sociality. Yes, finding community is important, and then once you have found community, to invite others into that as much as possible, to show them what that means, to show them there are other ways of inhabiting life worlds that we just have been trained not to even perceive. It's unimaginable, inconceivable to many people that there could be a different way of being.